December 13th, 2016. Guys, you remember in the video from a few hours ago, we were talking about Comet Honda coming in between Venus and Mars and Mercury. Now, it's going to be kind of hard to see here because it's just starting to brighten. And if you think about it, we're looking at Secchi A satellite, and it is on the other side of the sun from the Earth, so it's almost 2 AUs from this comet, and it's still picking it up. Now, it's just beginning to be a blur as it brightens. We're going to get ground-based telescopes by in the morning, images from ground-based guys. But again, you just have to watch it. I'll keep pulling it up and slowing it down. But it almost looks like a ghost image. But we've seen these before coming in, and again, we'll try to slow it down and take a look at it as it moves across there. But that's where it's at in the night sky. What's unique about this, again, is this is Secchi A. That's on the opposite side of the sun, in the same orbit as our planet as it looks back. Again, we'll go through here. You may want to watch it a couple times, guys, and I'm not sure how clear it's going to come out on the video because I'm recording from the Secchi side itself from their cameras. Right in the center of that image, right there. See that blob? Again, I know it's hard to see, but these are the first satellite images that I know of, and we recovered other comets in the last few years the same way, just by watching for them. Now, as this thing gets closer, there it is right there. I know it's not easy to see again, but it will get brighter. One thing about it, we're looking at Secchi A satellite, multiple cameras. This one is showing Venus. It's got Mercury in it also, which is to the left of this. And then if you change cameras, and that's what we're going to do, we'll go to a closer image that picks up the Earth, because that will be the next thing as we move left towards the sun. Now, there's Mercury rising. The comet has not come into this image yet, but the sun is to the left, and you see Earth there. Now, we go forward in time, we're going to start to see the comet on this particular camera, the HI-1A, and it'll be coming in from the right. Now, this particular camera also of Earth and Mercury rising is starting to show that the sun reacts to these comets, guys. Look at that in the last few frames. This camera, the HI-1, is very sensitive to any kind of solar motion, any kind of solar energy pushing out, and that's what you were looking at. Now, as you see Jupiter on the other side of the sun, we've switched back to the LASCO satellite. This is on the Earth-facing side of the sun, and the sun's in the center. If it brightens enough, and I think it will, we should see it come in from the left, because we were seeing it come in from the other direction, from the other side of the sun on Secchi A. Also, the clarity of this particular satellite will let us know immediately. Again, the comet will be coming in from the left, and if we start to see coronal mass ejections and filaments flaring up on the left side, we watch it here. We'll watch the SDO also, guys. It's a heads up. Be safe.